Folks, Brian Mesko here at Johnson RV. It's a great day to show you this new arrival to our coach. And when I say new arrival, it came in today. We're looking at a 2013 Leisure Travel Unity. This is the Murphy bed model. Great coach. We are on the 3500 Sprinter chassis from Mercedes, 3-liter, 6-cylinder engine. And you can see Leisure Travel does a great job of making these coaches not just look like boxes. They actually this wall here is actually put into a press to give it some sort of shape. Being a 13, this has some unique features that you can't even find anymore. We've got side turn cameras, you can see right here. Previous customer has carpeted that step to wash off a lot of, or get off a lot of the stuff on your feet. We've got storage compartments here, here. You can see this one's actually open at the moment. Nice locking, latching system. Another big storage item here. It is locked right now, unfortunately, but a couple sets of golf clubs fit in there very comfortably. As we come around to the back, you'll see we do have the integrated backup camera in the back, so you've got the side turn cameras and the backup cameras. You know what's going on around you. You can actually turn that on and keep it on at all times in the coach and have it on a screen to see what's behind you. But a nice thing about a 13, we also have the rear window still. As you can see, we've got our receptacle there, our hitch that we can put in, a 2-inch hitch, and we've got a 5,000-pound towing capacity. Over here, we've got our dump station area. You can see this is a straight dump, gravity-fed dump. A macerator system could be added to this at any time. You've got your Sani-Flush. You also have a lot of nice features over here. You've got your shower, and they actually, previous customer put on a different nozzle for that, or a different length hose, which is nice. So hot and cold running water outside as well. This is connected, hooked up with our 6-gallon hot water, traditional propane hot water heater. Shore power connection here as well, and a nice place to put a sewer hose that's out of the way. You can see the slide is out. We've got a slide topper on top. A nice awning style window, so you can open this up at an angle, get fresh air in, but none of that rain. And just a nice sleek look to this coach all the way around. Beautiful colors, very popular back in 2013. This is built on the Mercedes chassis, so you've got your fuel fill here. This way, when you're filling up with the diesel, you don't have any of the fumes getting inside the coach. But another great feature is that when this door is closed and locked and you're away from it, nobody can get in there, take something out, put something in. Again, really nice. It just came in today. This one's going to clean up exceptionally well. Beautiful coach. I think it's got just under 44,000 miles on it. First oil change isn't really till 20,000, so it's not even broke in yet. Lots of nice things on the outside, but let's go take a look on the inside. It's Brian Mesko now inside the 2013 Unity Murphy bed model here. And as you've noticed up here, the traditional Mercedes-Benz chassis. They really haven't changed the dash much at all. This is a 13, so we've got a Pioneer deck in here. It is Bluetooth capable. It's got maps, so you've got the ability to put in destinations and have it help you get there. A lot of nice features. It is, like I said, Bluetooth, so you can hook up your phone or an iPad or something like that to it. All ultra leather all the way around. These seats swivel. We've got it over here also in the L-shaped sofa, which is a nice way you can comfortably fit 3 people around this. A couple latches down here. This folds down. Take out a couple of the cushions, and you've got an electric Murphy bed that lays down. Nice, beautiful setup. Some of the nice features about this is we've got a TV that's integrated here with a push of a button. It comes up. Well, we're gonna have to, there we go, a little stuck there, but a nice Vizio. It actually can be moved and tilted left to right, which is a nice feature. Nice cabinetry all the way around. Forgot to show, this is set up. Here's your control panel. We've got the stabilizing jacks, LP Gen with 257 hours on it. We are pre-wired for solar, which is nice. It can be added at any time. It's not that hard to do, especially since Leisure Travel puts all the wiring up there already for you. We've got ducted heat and AC up in the roof, which is nice. We also have speakers throughout the coach, so you get a nice surround sound. Again, here we are at the kitchen area. You've got a nice cutting board on the back side. All Corian solid surface countertops, all flush mount. So when you're not using the 2-burner stove here, you just put this down. you've got more counter space. A nice little receptacle back there for garbage. We've got cabinetry under there for storage. You've got these drawers that pull all the way out. Another place, we've got drawers down here that pull all the way out to give you a nice place for storage. Again, cabinetry. We've got a nice big wardrobe there. This compartment actually goes to the outside as well. Nice 2 drawers that pull out. We got a nice sink, and again, on a 13 model, you've got the window still in the back. A nice feature about that is we can close this up. You still have a mirror here, but now you can access the things in your medicine cabinet. And if that's not enough space, over above the commode, you do have another one that opens up here. So you can see the toilet paper that's in there now, we'll probably get rid of unless you want to keep it. Nice big shower. Lets you get in, lets you have a lot of room. And one thing to know is that someone on the outside can lock the person on the inside in. So just keep that in mind in this model. But lots of nice things to tell you about this coach, especially after we get through it in our shop. Give us a call here at Johnson RV, 503-668-5400. Make sure to ask for Brian.